Welcome back to our pop-up lessons on MindCPS Classroom / Canvas. Right now we're going to talk about grades. In order to see your grades, we're in the Canvas app. Okay, I want to click on one of my classes. So let's say I am taking Algebra 1. When I pop up my class, I'm going to see my home page, announcements, assignments, discussions, grades, people, pages, files, syllabus, outcomes, and quizzes. Scroll up, you'll see modules, conferences, collaborations, and so on. But right now we're talking about grades. When you click on that, you're going to see on the right side, it shows you what your score is out of. So the practice discussion is worth 0 points. The practice assignment is worth 0 points. Homework is worth 5. And then on the left, it's going to show you how many points you got. I don't have these assignments turned in, so right now I'm not getting any points. You can click on the assignment. It's going to tell you the due date. The deadline should always be at the top. How is it submitted? This course guide exit card was due on paper, so you're supposed to give your teacher the paper for it. And sometimes there will be a description. So you can see your grades like this on the application. Now, if you were in Chrome, it's going to look a little bit different. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. It's going to be kind of tricky for me because I am in teacher mode, but I'm going to change this to student view. Okay, so now I'm in student mode. I'm going to click on grades. And you see out of, it tells you how much it's worth. Score, I have a dash because I haven't turned these in. This says missing, so it's going to tell you if something is missing and you have not turned it in. You can arrange it by your due date. You can arrange it by the title. You can arrange it by the module. And press apply, and it'll switch it up. But I like to just arrange things by the due date. At the bottom, it's going to tell you your score for each category that your teacher has. So homework, all tests and assessments, progress checks is what's important. Imported assignments doesn't count. And remember that all tests and assessments, this is for math, is worth 80%. Okay, so this will show you your grades for the class. Okay, now you can also click on MindCPS portal and it'll take you to the grade book where you sign in and see your grades. That is only going to happen on the website. On the app, if I go back to my dashboard, there is no way to get to MindCPS Classroom. Okay, but if you are on the website, you can easily click, there's no way to get to MindCPS portal. But if you're on the website, you can click on portal and it can take you to your official grades. But for each class, when you go in, it's going to pop up with the home screen and you can click on grades to see your individual grades. You can also see what you're missing when you go to your dashboard. It's going to pop up with a to-do, but I'm in student mode, so it's not going to show me what I have to do. Okay, that is how to look at your grades. So what I want you to do is go and check out your grades for each one of your courses. Again, go to your class, click on grades.